Welcome, Python enthusiasts. In today's exploration, we're delving into the dynamic world of Python and testing with Pytest. To kick things off, let's establish the symbiotic relationship between Python and Pytest. Testing, an essential element of software development, serves as the safeguard ensuring the reliability and stability of every line of Python code. In this section, we'll lay the groundwork for our exploration by introducing the essence of Python and testing with Pytest. As we transition from the Python world to testing, envision how Pytest simplifies the testing process. Watch how this robust framework streamlines the way we verify our code's behavior. As projects evolve, they often grow in complexity. In this section, we'll explore effective strategies for structuring your test suites to tackle the challenges posed by larger Python projects. Imagine navigating through a complex codebase with ease, thanks to a well-structured test suite. We'll guide you through the steps to achieve just that. Now, let's delve into the art of crafting effective test functions. We'll showcase best practices that every Python developer should follow to ensure comprehensive testing. Watch as we bring these best practices to life through code examples, ensuring your test functions become powerful tools for code verification. As we embrace larger codebases, we encounter unique challenges in the testing landscape. Let's dissect these challenges and explore strategies for effective navigation. From integration issues to scalability concerns, we'll address these challenges head-on, providing you with practical solutions to overcome testing hurdles. Effective test isolation is paramount, especially when dealing with external dependencies. In this section, we'll explore strategies involving mocking and patching to ensure your tests remain reliable in complex scenarios. Join us as we dive into the world of mocking and patching, discovering how these strategies can be powerful tools for maintaining test reliability in the face of external dependencies. Now, let's master the art of organizing your test suites. The success of your testing endeavors lies in how well organized and maintainable your test suite is. Unlock the potential of your testing process by following organizational keys that ensure clarity, efficiency, and maintainability in your test suite. As we continue our journey, we'll delve into the complexities that may arise within test suites and explore effective strategies to address and overcome challenges in Python projects of varying scales. Walk with us through a comparative analysis of simple and complex test suites, gaining insights into the challenges that may arise and learning how to navigate them successfully. External dependencies can be tricky to handle during testing. In this section, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to seamlessly test by mastering the art of mocking external dependencies. Discover the strategies that will make testing with external dependencies a seamless and efficient process, ensuring your code remains robust and reliable. In the realm of test development, side effects can pose significant challenges. Join us as we explore how patching can be your ally in overcoming these challenges and maintaining the integrity of your tests. We'll guide you through real-world examples, showcasing how patching can effectively address side effects, ensuring your tests remain robust and reliable. In our final section, we'll share strategies for simpler testing, offering valuable tips that every Python developer can implement to enhance their testing workflow and boost productivity. These practical tips are the culmination of our exploration, providing you with actionable insights to simplify your testing process and elevate your Python development experience. As we conclude our deep dive into Python and testing with Pytest, remember that testing is not just a task, it's a mindset. Embrace these strategies, and watch your Python projects thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Connect with us on social media for more insights. Happy coding, and until next time.